Second half of the second case, NT Collegiate Football. Let's do it. Random serial style again. Oh, Chris, you got the 2 spot this time. You can see the numbers soon. See the numbers on your screen. I will also... That scene is so ridiculous. How would you ever think of that? It blows my mind. I don't know how they thought of that. The weirdest joke of all time. New advancement in home video technology. How is it possible? We haven't finished the movie yet. We ain't finished. It's past this. Let's skip this part. It's past this. In fact, never show this again. That's the one dumb comedy my wife loves. She likes that movie. It's like the only one of all the movies we've ever talked about from the 80s and 90s. She actually thinks that's funny, which makes sense. Chris, number 38, Odell Beckham Jr. Under that, a Mariota, 19 of 25 for Primary Ken. Then we has, from Clemson, Deshaun Watson, Mike Williams, Wayne Gallman, Jordan Leggett, 88 of 99. Also Chris, getting all the cards from the colleges he doesn't like. Elijah Hood, rookie silhouette signatures, 56 of 99. Mr. Bonnie Smalls. Is there a Fat Boy card in here? That one's big. Not the next one, but the one after that. Corey Clement from Wisconsin, 21 of 99. That would be Primary Ken. The fat card. What is it? Oh, wow. Holy Kareem Hunt. The 3 spot. Kareem Hunt. Red rookie patch auto. Big wrap. Oh my gosh. Wow. We've got some awesome Kareem Hunt cards this week after his week 1 dominating performance. Dang. Holy Toledo. Under that, Trubisky, RPA, 66 of 99. That is Doyer Dean. Man, this box rules. This box rules. Do we have one more? No. The booklet, 3 of 35. It's P. Ryan. The Sooners, look at that patch. Big Rab again. Another 3 spot hit. You know what? You know what I'm thinking right now? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? What if they make NT and Immaculate College Baseball super short print runs like this? It'll be awesome. We loved it when it wasn't even short. Well, no, those were pretty short, actually. Never mind. Those were already pretty short print runs. It would have to be even shorter. We did a lot of that. I still have some of that. Oh, there's a 1 of 1. I see a plate. Zeke, 27 to 99 to start this box. That is Glow's 27 spot. Jim Thorpe from Carlisle Indian Industrial School, 11 of 99. This is kind of a small school. Division 100. We have Dan Marino, 5 of 5 patch. Oh, I love this stuff. Big Rab again. 3 in the 5 spot for Big Rab. Is this the plate? No, 1 more before the plate. James Quick from Louisville, 54 of 99. Rookie silhouette signatures. That is borrowed credit card on the board. The 1 of 1 plate. I don't know who that is. Who the heck is that? I mean, besides being Rally Squirrel's face when I did a full case of Spectra with no Dalvin Cooks. Poor Rally Squirrel, he made the same face. Any guesses? I'm not even going to show the back. Just who is it? 1 of 1. Mr. Bonnie Smalls. It's your card. It's a patch auto of... Anybody? I thought Joe Namath for a second too, but is that Joe Namath? It's not Joe Namath. Is it? It is John Hanna. Alabama. I thought at first it was Joe Namath. 2-time All-American Alabama. Ledger. Finest offensive lineman I've ever been around, according to Bear Bryant. Chris would have loved it. Jeremy McNichols from Boise State, 49 of 99. That's you, Chris, the 49 spot. Then, oh, there's an Alabama card. 47 of 99, Ardarius Stewart. Borrowed credit card. There's another one, borrowed credit card. Chris might want that one from you. Then we have, oh, 3 of 5. Man, the 3 spot big grab. Patrick Mahomes Black. Jeez. So Big Rab, all he got was a 3 of 5 Kareem Hunt red patch auto and a black 3 of 5 Mahomes patch auto. Wow. Good thing we did the random serial numbers, you know, to mix up the hits and all. Oh, we're to the booklet. It is... Oh, Chris is going to kill somebody. Mr. Bonnie Smalls, 1 of 1 booklet. This is an awesome 2 boxes. It is Curtis Samuel, Ohio State, 1 of 1 Nike swoosh booklet. Garvey, I just can't win for you. You and Raleigh Squirrel, I can't help. I'm useless to you guys.